What's up, guys? This is Robert Chambers right here. I'm just studying the stock market right now, and I got a good options that I want y'all to see. So stay tuned. And here it is, the $2 stock, Zoom Medica Pharmaceuticals. It only costs $2, guys, man. Y'all need to get in. Go ahead and get this stock, you know what I'm saying? Because it's only $2. And that's why I brought 20 shares worth. You know what I mean? I'm El Cheapo. Y'all don't have to be as cheap as me. Because once I lose 10%, I'm out of there. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on this. I'm going to take a screenshot of this so I can draw on it real fast. And I'm going to show y'all a quick example of my my trading. How do I trade? You know what I mean? Through the dips. Now, see that little W pattern at the end? Right there. That little W right there that I just circled at the end. And see that line, the green line right there? See them two lines? The black and the green one is the lines that I'm in between. But see, it hit that line. So the green line right there. So what I'm gonna do is, when it's down there, that's when I'm gonna buy. That's where you buy. That's what I'm trying to write right now. That's where you want to buy. At right there in that dip. See, that's a pattern right there. But I'm gonna show y'all a better example when I get on a better platform. I'm gonna take another picture. Hold on for a second, because I'm gonna do it right now. Yeah, I got this picture right here from stocktrader.com. So I'm gonna show y'all the Japanese candlesticks of the way that I learned how to trade in the formula. I'm gonna pull this up real fast because I gotta mark it up. I gotta draw on here. Excuse my drawing. It's crappy. But I'm gonna do the best that I can, guys, to show you what I mean. You know what I mean? I only been doing this for 2 months, so bear with me. I'm gonna get better as we go. See, I'm now being able to draw and everything for y'all, so I get a ballpark of what I'm saying. See, right here, I'm gonna draw 2 lines. And by me drawing these 2 lines is I'm showing y'all a pattern and how to trade like a pro. You know what I mean? See these 2 lines right here? Oops, excuse me. I messed up. Let me erase that. Okay, right there. Bang. Them 2 lines right there. That's the spot right there. That's the sweet spot that I want. You see that end that I just drew right there? If you notice, those are the patterns. See how it went up before I threw that end? You see that other end on the other side. So it's right down there. Right when I'm drawing the arrow, hold up, I messed up. I erased that. There we go. Right down there at the bottom, where I just circled that. That's where I want. That's where you want to buy. Within that sweet spot. See how it went? It dipped down, then it went right back in between them 2 bars where I was at. And once it get back up between them, that's where I want to buy at. That's where I'm safe. That's my safe haven. That's exactly where I want to buy at. You know what I mean? And here's my top 10 picks for 2021. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the 10 stocks of the year that you should pick right here in 2021. You know what I mean? Those are some good stocks right there, in like 3 different categories. And the stocks that I brought, ZOM, they going down right now, but trust me, this is the time you want to hop on it, because right before the beginning of this year, that's when the stocks just came out. They just hit the market, guys. You know what I mean? These are brand new stock options. that I'm giving you. You know what I mean? So you might want to hop on it earlier, because by December of the end of this year, it should be up by $10 or so. It might be up 11. Hell, you might get lucky and be up $30. If it go up $30, you know what I mean, by the end of this year, I'm gonna have like 1,000 shares. And by the time it go up, from investing, having 1,000 shares, that's $30,000. You know what I mean? Even if I just put $1,000 into it, you know what I mean? That's still $10,000 if it go up $10. If it go up 30, that's 30,000. 100, that's 100,000. You know what I mean? But time is ticking. It's probably gonna go slow and progressive. You know what I mean? I believe this is one of them stocks that's bearish right here. At the moment, it's bullish right now. You know what I mean? It's punching forward, but you know what I mean, it's dropping a little bit. But everything, all my stocks are down. You know, that's just the nature of the beast. You know what I mean? That the stocks is gonna fluctuate. It's gonna go up and down. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be hard times, you know, but like I was telling you before, I got faith in that stock. So that's why now that it's down, I'm buying a little bit more. Remember, I was showing you earlier in the graph that little N formation, right? You don't want to buy it. You want to see that twice. You know what I'm saying? When you see it once and then you see it again. But see, this stock is so early in the quarter that you can't really see the dips and everything that's supposedly in there. So when the stock is healing, you know what I mean? Stock market is healing right now. As soon as we get the cure and we able to go back in public and function at least a little bit better than we was in 2019, then we be in half as good shape as we was last year. You know what I mean? Everything was down last year. You know what I mean? I wasn't in the stock market then. You know what I mean? I just got into this January 18th. You know what I mean? And I'm still standing strong. I'm surprised I got a little bit of money to spend on the stocks. Like I was telling you guys, you don't have to be rich, you know, and I'm gonna prove it to you, you know. And I hope y'all riding with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't want y'all to invest in something that you have no knowledge in. I want you to do the research or buy products that you like. I mean, that's what Warren Buffett do. He only invests in products that he like. You know what I mean? Like, I drink a lot of Sprite, so I might go ahead and invest in Coca-Cola, you know? I like Monster drinks. I invest in Monster drinks, you know? But I'm gonna start building my portfolio, and if y'all have any tips or any stocks y'all want me to do research on, you know what I mean? I'm a reader and a watcher, so this is what I do. I like to research. This is right up my alley right here. You know what I mean? To do researching and stuff. You know, I went to school in Bachelor in Business Administration, so comparing and contrasting two companies is something that I love to do. You know what I mean? And write a full report and give all the credits that's due with all the research that I'm doing. So that's what matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably take a week to study two companies that's alike, you know what I mean, that I'm planning on investing in, instead of me just doing these pharmaceuticals and doing a little bit of reading. I'm gonna go ahead and do a whole full essay on it. And then I can compare, contrast, and come talk to y'all guys about it and give y'all my personal opinion on it. And then give you all the credits and referrals of where I got my information from, so y'all can read up on it. And then y'all can choose and contrast which one you think is better. Then y'all can drop a link down below. But for right now, I need y'all to hit them like buttons. And for the newcomers, hit that subscribe button. It's only going to get better. You know what I mean? We made it through 2020. That means you survived. So in 2021, it's time to strive, baby.